how to enable or disable modes and routines in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, you will see General Management is here. Click on General Management. Click on, scroll down and click on Customization Service. After click on Customization Service, scroll down and you will see modes and routine is here. If you want to disable modes and routine, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see modes and routine is disabled. If you want to enable modes and routines, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see modes and routine is enabled. You will enable or disable modes and routines from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable modes and routines in customized app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.